Hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel. Dahil sa pagkatataputi kayo na sa aking channel, wala kang ibang gagawin kung dito ay panoorin. So, ayun mga ka-endo. So, this vlog is all about my hair. Yeah. As you can see, this is my, what do you call this? This is my setup as of tonight. So, ganyan. May salamin tayo dito. May ring light tayo dito. And naka-ano tayo dito. Nakalagay yung ating towel sa ating shoulders. Kasi magkukulay tayo. Charan! So baka naman, hindi ko ma-pronounce kasi ito eh. I don't know how to pronounce this word, this brand. Oh, kasama ko pala dito si Tita Pau. She's watching me now. So, yun. Baka naman, mag-sponsor kayo, pati ito. Baka naman, you sponsor me. So, first things first is, we need to, according to the instructions, we need to summon the gods. Ha! Summon the gods! How do you say that? I should never sure.
This brand?
Yeah.
I thought this. Okay.
Yeah, the brand itself.
Swashcoff.
Swatchcoff. I don't know how to say that though. Like, oh my guys. You know what I'm saying? So yun guys, this is the amount that I decided to put. So, according to the instruction, I need to put this peroxide and then put the hair color in it. Like, yay.
Oh my god.
What's that? So, Tita Pau gave me the... Charan! Kakain tayo ng sushi ngayon. May chopstick ako. Nakakatawa yun. So, so andito yun. Hindi ko na mabuksan talaga ang aking ano. Don't let it ruin everything. Just keep moving on. I remember everything that you've promised way back when. So mga ka-edot, yun na nga, wala tayong brush but we find ways because we are from BDO. Huy, charis. So, nagawa tayo ng paraan para lang magawa natin to pag-colorinicism ng ating mga hairs kasi marami sila. Hindi lang siya easy. So yun, bababad muna natin siya ng 30 seconds. Charis, minutes palitaw. Bababad natin siya ng 30 minutes. So just have to wait. And let's see kung tama ba ang decision natin sa buhay. And yeah, let's just wait for about 30 minutes and then we will just repeat the process. Okay. This portion is brought to you by Time's Up. Time's Up na tayo mga ka-edot. Nagbabalaw na tayo na. So, this is the hair blower that I will be using later. After natin mabalaw ng ating hair. So, magbabalaw tayo. Siyempre, hindi ko na papakit ng papabalaw ko